In this video, we will connect to MySQL database with Java program using JDBC. JDBC is an API used to interact with databases in Java programming language. There's a video on the channel where I explain how to install MySQL database. After following these steps in the video and installing MySQL on your computer, you should watch this video. First, we will download the MySQL connectors Java zip file. I will add the link of the site to the video description. Select Platform Independent option. Select Zip option. You can continue the installation without becoming a member. Extract the file you downloaded. There should be a jar file in the file. We will include this file in the Java project. Click on the Project Structure button. Go to the Modules and Dependencies. Click on the jar button. Go to the file you extracted. Select jar file. Click on Apply button. Now we can use this jar file in the Java project. I will define 3 variables in main class: username, password, and database URL. I define all variables as static, so variables belong to the class. They don't belong to the object created from the class. Therefore, I will be able to access these variables without creating an object from the class. I can learn the database port address this way. I will connect to the world database. I create a null variable for the connection. I will use try and catch blocks while connecting to the database. I assign the getConnection method to the connection variable. I will send the database URL, username, and password variables to the method. I print the message indicating that the connection was successfully established to the console. Finally, I add a catch block. We have connected to the database. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.